Hi everyone! If you're running a small business and sourcing from China, you've probably faced this headache: multiple shipments, scattered delivery times, endless customs forms, and sky-high shipping costs. But what if I told you there's a smarter way? We are Yan Sourcing, a leading sourcing agent company who help customers source products, manage production, inspect goods, and manage shipping to make importing from China quickly and safely. Today, I'm walking you through exactly how to consolidate your shipments from China, saving you money, time, and a whole lot of stress. So, what is shipment consolidation? Imagine you've ordered products from 3 different suppliers. Instead of getting 3 separate deliveries, you combine all those goods into one big shipment. One set of paperwork, one customs clearance, one delivery. Simple, right? Let me break down the step-by-step process. First, you want to pick a reliable freight forwarder or logistics agent in China. This is your go-to person or company who will collect all your products from different suppliers and keep them in a warehouse until everything's ready. Think of them as your logistics quarterback. Next, communicate with all your suppliers. Let them know your plan to consolidate shipments and provide your freight forwarder's warehouse address. Most experienced suppliers in China are totally used to this and will coordinate directly with your forwarder. Now, timing is key. Ask each supplier for production and delivery estimates. You don't want one shipment sitting in a warehouse for weeks while you wait for the others. Try to align your orders so everything arrives roughly at the same time. This step alone can save you on storage fees and avoid product damage from sitting too long. Once all your goods have arrived at the warehouse, your freight forwarder will inspect them for damage, quantity, and quality. You can even ask for photos or a video call walkthrough for extra peace of mind. Here's where the magic happens. Your forwarder repacks everything into one big shipment, optimizing the space so you're not paying for empty air. They'll prepare a single set of export documents and customs forms, way easier than juggling 3 separate ones. Now, just choose your shipping method: air, sea, or even rail, depending on your budget and timeline. Consolidated shipping is usually cheaper per unit because you're paying for one larger shipment instead of several small ones. And finally, keep your eyes on the tracking info. Once it arrives at your destination port, you clear customs and arrange local delivery to your warehouse or store. So, to recap, pick a trusted logistics partner, communicate with your suppliers, align delivery times, and let your forwarder handle the rest. Consolidating shipments from China isn't just smart. It's essential for small businesses looking to grow without wasting resources. Do you have any questions about the import process? Visit our website yansourcing.com, or send us an email at info@yansourcing.com. I'd love to help. See you next time.